So children, starting another lecture. We have already done a few questions about this same chapter. Now starting another lecture on that. So mathematics lecture it will be. So, and what are you doing? We are doing about profit and loss only. That was chapter 4 that we had started. And see few things like some people had asked some questions also. So I will be telling that question only. Karthik Pandey had asked this question from 8th E. So the chapter on profit and loss I am taking now. Okay. So it is profit and loss. This is the 21st chapter I am teaching you. Yes, it should be S21 only. Yes, S21. And the last lecture was lecture 8, so it will be lecture 9 now. And see, I had already taken questions like last, which question I had told you was question number 17. Okay, it was question number 17, and there I had told about question like A sells to B, B sells to C, all these things. And I think so people should have done it like this. But what to say, because any question if it is related like that, others should try for the same thing. In the other means it can be correlated to other type of questions. If you are able to do it, you should be able to do it only. But anyway, since you asked a question, I will be telling you. So let me solve it for you. Let me read the question first. What the question says? The question says, so exercise 4A, question number 16 I will be taking up. Exercise 4A, question 16. Okay. So Karthik Pandey has asked this question. And why Karthik only? Many must others be there who must be having the problem. Okay. Let's read the question, find out. A dealer sells a toy at a loss of 4%. Okay. So there is a loss of 4%. If he had sold it for rupees 180 more, he would have made a profit of 16%. That means he is selling at what cost? Whatever cost he is selling it is a loss of 4%. Had he sold it for rupees 180 more. So see now with that, so first of all loss is given. So let's let the CP be X. Let the cost price of toy is equal to rupees X. So first of all, what we will take, we will assume that the cost price is X. Now, at a loss of 4%, so SP when a loss of 4% is incurred. That means when the person is experiencing a loss of 4%, then what will be the CP? Now see, we already know one formula for the calculation of SP when CP and loss percent are given. What is that formula? Already you know. So it will be 1 plus, see here profit or loss. So here loss is there, so it will be 1 minus R by 100. Okay. So whenever loss is there, we are doing minus here. Okay. So it will be X into 1 minus. How much loss percent is given in the question? So whatever cost he is selling, see, for that SP he is incurring a loss. And by controlling SP only we are deciding whether profit or there or loss is there. So he is selling a toy at loss of 4%. So 1 minus 4 by 100 into X, this will be in rupees. That means 4 by 100 is 1 by 25. 1 minus 1 by 25 is 24 by 25. So it will be rupees 24 by 25x. Yes or no? So SP is 1 minus 4 by 100 into CP. So 4 by 100 is 425, so 25 minus 1, 24 by 25. Excuse me. Now the question is saying something. See, we have to move in the direction of question only. So what the question is saying? He is saying, had he sold for 180 rupees more. So right here, new SP to get 16% profit. C statements are up to you, whatever way you feel like. What will be new SP? If you want to get a profit of 16%, it will be what? Now see, knowing the new SP to get 60% profit is one thing. We will gain two SPs. One SP will be as per the formula. So it will be how much? Rupees X into 1 plus 16 by 100. Excuse me. So it will be 1 plus 16 by 100 into X. Then also, excuse me, also according to question, no, not this, also SP with respect to CP is equal to basically new SP. This also is a new SP only. Also new SP is CP equal to rupees. How much more is selling at? 180 more. So no, let's check it out again. 180. So 180 plus 24 by 25x. That's it. So you have to equate both. Okay. So you write here according to question. Now the whole question is only about solving them. Okay. Whole question remains about solving this part. So let us see how to solve this one. I hope it is clear. Yes, it looks like very clear. So you equate this 180 plus 24 by 25x. So do not multiply x also here. X plus, or let's first add here, then we'll write here. X into 1 plus x into 1 plus 16 by 100. 16 by 100 is 4 by 25. That means 25 plus 4, 29 by 25. See, these are fractionals you can add. This is now class 6th part, that how to add a fraction. So I am moving ahead with this. Is equal to 180. This you could write at the bottom also, 180 upon, or 180 plus 24 by 25x. So 16, 4 plus 16, 4 25s are 4 by 25. 25 plus 4, 29 by 25. 29 by 25x. This implies that bar was not required. Now here, now these are like fractions, you can shift it here. So 180 is equal to, or let us shift it like that only. you will write 29 by 25 x minus 24x is equal to 180. I am shifting and cancelling all the sign that way I am doing. So it will be what? This implies that 5x equal to 180 into 25, or x will be what? 5025. So 5 into 180. That in rupees only. 85 are 900. Now it is important to see what the question has asked. The question has asked cost price. No. Yes, cost price only they have asked, and it is rupees 900. So how we have done this question? We have done it by using this method, that first of all you have to take the CPS X, and then using the CPS X you have to calculate the SP using the formula for 1 minus loss percent upon 100 into CP. Then it is saying, and if you are selling at 180 rupees more, so that with 180 rupees more, 1 CP will come with that SP and CP. Okay. So 1 CP you have got and SP you have got. So with the SP original, with the SP calculated and adding some cost to it, 1 SP will get, and then another SP will get. That is with respect to 16% profit. When you equate both the things, you will get some value of what? You will get some value of the SP. So then you equate both the selling prices, and then we will find the answer to it. Okay. I hope this is clear to you, and the answer should be clear. Then next we will be moving towards the discount questions. Discount is a easy topic only. We have done a lot of questions on that discount. So I will really welcome you to ask questions from the WhatsApp group. You can mention the questions the proper way you ask them, and you will be easily getting the solutions to it. I will be taking the videos, but feel free to ask the questions.